Tell me how old you are.
I'm 6 years old. I turned 6 when I was in February 1st.
Okay. Well, you can't see it. Just go back on it. Okay, what we're going to do today? We're going to pull your tooth out. Is this your first lost tooth? Or your second?
Second.
Your second lost tooth. Alright. And you said I can pull it, right? Oh wait, I wrote too many teeth. I got like 5 teeth. Do you want to pull 5 teeth out? Or just one?
Good.
Okay, hold still. Look up.
I'm 5.
Aw.
Gotcha.
Okay, ready? I'm trying to get smaller. I'm trying to lasso it like a cowboy. Man, I keep messing up my nuts. Okay, let's see what. I'm not doing very good.
I'm going to say something.
Okay, here we go. And hopefully the tooth fairy will come tonight, right? Ready?
Ah!
You count 3?
Wait. I'm just joking. I was really just joking.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I was.
Okay, well, all I gotta do is
You
pull it a
just
little
pull
bit
it
harder
really-
than I just did.
No, I can pull it.
Okay, I'll get it on there for you and then you can pull it.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. We gotta get it all the way at the bottom. See, I got it up too high. What's the problem? Hold on. I'll get it ready for you. Gotta make sure it's good and at the bottom. Bless you. Bless you. Okay, ready? Now pull it out.
Count to 3.
1. Grab both of them. Pull. No, together. And pull it forward. And pull it down. 1 up. Is it coming off?
Sorry. One more chance. That's it.
Okay. One more time.
It doesn't work? No.
Okay.
I'm just joking about
What we have to do.
my tooth, but I'm just trying to.
Turn back around.
Okay. Let's see. The hardest part is getting it all the way down there at the bottom so that when you pull it, it'll come out.
Ready?
I know I'm good.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Pull! Go. Don't just pull a little bit, because then it'll just kind of hurt. Get it out.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Well, let me see so I can get it on camera. One, 2, 3. Aha!
Trick shot, trick shot. Yeah, it was good. Oh.
We gotta tie it in a knot first. Come here.
No,
Let me at least tie it for you.
I got it.
You're totally pulling it down.
Ah! Where'd it go?
Hold on, it's bleeding in your mouth. Look, no, show me your bloody mouth. Look, show me your bloody mouth. Spit it out.
Give me it.